Buongiorno, mon cheries, how do? It's a bit of a different video today because we're going sloe hunting with Auntie Sue.
Hello, I'm a professional sloe hunter.
She's, the professional. I am the apprentice today and I'm going to find out what it's all about. So when we say sloe, we don't mean the... Is there an animal called a sloe?
Sloe.
A sloth. No, we mean the berries, sloe. So that you can make, what is it, gin?
Sloe gin, sloe vodka. Yep, sloe anything.
Sloe anything,
Gin's
alcoholic. Gin's the best.
Gin's the favourite.
Right, so this is
My
my...
opinion.
Right, well, we'll see what happens. But we've decided, we've been on the lookout, haven't we, for the bestest berries. Are they berries? Yeah,
Slowberry.
Strawberries, and there are many about, but they're mostly at a disadvantaged for us height, aren't they?
Yeah.
So
The sloe stick.
yeah, so Sue's brought her specialist stick, which is available at any NHS hospital. And the only ones that we can think of that we might have a chance of grabbing are through some fields. So we have to do a bit of work to get there, but it'll all be worth the effort. I was just going to video the actual glorious weather. I mean, there's blue sky over there, but there's just like a... Is it Linus that has a cloud over him on Charlie Brown? It's just a cloud and it's pouring it down. We're hard up here in Yorkshire though, aren't we?
Yeah.
Well hard. It stopped raining
Oh, it's glorious.
and the very bizarre procession towards the snow and Francis. I don't know what that
To
means,
creep
but
upon them, you see.
yeah.
Catch them unaware.
Little Rip's come today. He's on the lead though because of the fireworks. It's bonfire night next week, is it, Sue?
Yes, next Thursday.
It's Thursday, but they've started already, obviously, because for some reason people have to start like a month before. So, Little Rip, it builds up, and yesterday it all became too much and he started to run home. Yeah. So, but luckily he stopped. Graham was en route from the house, but he stopped and came back, so that was all right. But it wasn't.
What time was that then?
It was just getting dark. So on the lead. It's going to rain again. Woohoo! So when I watch other channels, Sue, other people's channels, they're not always horsey, but even when they're horsey, they look glamorous. So I thought I'll have to.
You invited me.
Yeah, well I thought I'll have to I'll just have to remember that if you're going to do some film,
Look glamorous.
some footage, just make sure that you know, brush your hair, apply your makeup.
Do you know what my mum always used to say about my face? It looks like a farmer's bottom.
A
'Cause it's ruddy.
farmer's oh, because it's ruddy. Oh,
Well, that's healthy, isn't it?
yeah, that's
It's like a farmer's bottom.
it's one of the things though, isn't it, about being out in the open air. You go back, especially if you're sat in front of the fire,
Yeah.
your little cheeks are glowing. So, but anyway, who's here to say anything? Unless we see Brad Pitt or some other, think of somebody really good looking. So does this mean we're officially middle-aged because we can't think of anybody good looking? I'm going to say Keanu Reeves. Who are you going to say? That's a sad It's official. It's official. But I don't think we're going to see anybody.
I want to say Elvis, but I don't think I'll see him.
No, you never know. Elvis. Ooh. Unless we went to the chip shop. We might see him there. I just walked past these, you see, that's why I'm so rubbish.
That's why you're an apprentice.
Yeah, and you're a professional. I'll get a few going. I'm going to have to let a little rip go. Don't run away. Oh, take, good boy. Rubbish filming. Yeah. No. For me, yeah. Thought I might make some for us. As soon as everybody raves about it. I don't even know if I like gin, to be honest. Slimming though, isn't it? Oh yeah, possibly. Sloe vodka. These look quite small. Are these? What are they? All right? Yeah. Do you just get all of them, even if they're a bit browny? Or do you go? Do they have to be like show specimens? Oh. Okay, so we've stripped that bush, and they were they okay, these? I think they were okay, they were meh, but we're going onward to a better bush. So Sue, as we were picking the sloes off the bush, Sue was just regaling me with tales of sloe stories. And it turns out that well, the first thing you have to do is completely strip gardens of their entire stock.
Oh no, you don't need Gordon's. You get any cheap gin.
Oh, cheap gin. All right then, so you get the World Gin Mountain. And then you create Sloe Gin, but you do it for the community. So it's a charitable thing. So that's what we're going to have to do. Unfortunately, I brought a bag, but there's a hole in my bag, courtesy of a little mouse, I think. But we'll just have to see how far we get. We're nearly there yet. Just over the next hill. Well folks, this is it. Nirvana, the Holy Grail. It's not looking bad, Sue. Not looking bad. Shall I? Oh, look at these! It's a beauty! Some big fatties. All mine. These are all mine. Fight you for them. Oh no, Sue's got a big stick. Call for help. Right, let's get to business. Progress report. We're doing all right. The bag is filling up. Still throwing it down. Now look. Bit more to go yet.
One year when we went up to my mum's, when the kids were little, we had a sloe competition and we told them there was a prize. So they all had their own bags or their little buckets and they're all competing, and there was a big drop at the other side and they were climbing over the blooming barbed wire fence to be the winners of the sloe. I can't remember who won in the end.
Where are they now? Why do they all have to grow up?
Yeah.
Right, we're on our way back with our hoists. Is that the right word? Oh, just a muddy puddle. Wasn't watching where I was going. Yep, we've set off back. I think we've stripped it more or less bare, didn't we? The bush, but we set off a bit earlier because the farmer came. Yeah, we thought it would, because we thought about running. And then we thought, no, because he's in a little car. Well, what's he in? A little machine thing. So and we thought, oh no, but he was all right. Well,
He didn't have a smiley face.
he's a farmer, so
Confiscate.
no, he didn't shoot us. So yeah, so happy days. So Sue's just been telling me how you make the sloe gin, so we'll just have to get on with that, and it should be ready by Christmas.
Yep, the sloe bush, its official name is the blackthorn. Grandad Tony told us that.
So now you know.